So welcome home. This is the Grayson at Baybrook. So this is our 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and 711 square feet. We're here in the living area. We have a beautiful pool. It's a very, very large resort style pool, and with the really nice porch here, elongated porch that leads to the bedroom. And then you have a nice sitting area here, and the wooden floors on the bottom here, and a very good size bedroom here with a nice walk-in closet. It's actually pretty large. You can that's good for 2 people there. And updated restrooms, nice cabinetry, and pretty large bathtub, as you can see there. Very good quality bathtub, and then the rounded holes there, so you can have a little bit more room. And let's go into the kitchen. And so the kitchen here, so we have a really nice countertops and fridge. We'll have the stackable and washer and dryers in some of the units, and the other units will have them side by side. But this is really nice, especially like the cabinetry here. Very nice, updated, really nice handles. But overall, this is a great value for a resident that wants to be in a peaceful community that's very close to I-45 here in the southern part of Houston. And you can get to a lot of places very quickly. So I'll recommend coming in and stopping in and getting a tour. So thank you so much.